How are you guys doing today? It's Justin Cooper at Total Roofing and Construction. We're out here in New Lenox, Illinois, doing a Camelot 2 roof replacement, along with the new 6-inch JellyFish exterior permanent lighting. The perks about JellyFish Lighting, it's exterior permanent lighting. It's all different colors, accent lighting, security lighting, holidays, Christmas, 4th of July. They have a controller that's gonna be set up in the garage. You're able to hook up with your phone, all Wi-Fi compatible. If there's an issue with the Wi-Fi, you can change the colors on the controller box. As you can tell right now, this color fascia soffit, it's kind of like an almond cream color. So we're able to get the track to match pretty close as far as everything blending in. This is the new 6-inch line. Originally they had the 9-inch lighting. This is the black track down below. They have a light spaced every 9 inches. One of their newer systems out is spaced every 6 inches. So this house is gonna have a lot more lights, a lot more features as far as adding different colors. It's a lot more power, but we're still using the same amount of controllers as you would for the 9-inch. And it's the same controller box that gets installed in the garage. Up here you see the JellyFish track. It's all installed. The aluminum track, we have clips that go roughly about every foot to hold in the track up to the soffit. The front clip clips in underneath the fascia, and then the back gets a screw. Everything's all inside the track. All the lights are all waterproof, and everything is all fire rated and water rated. The guys are poking a hole through. We're gonna fish one of the home run lines from the controller box out of the soffit to start hooking up the line that's gonna run this way all the way across. We have Julian, he's up there. He's got called a fishing line, where they're gonna fish the wire. They're gonna poke it through. We have Eric in the attic. He's gonna hook the line through. We're gonna hook everything up to the controller line, and then we'll start running the lights out this way. But on the back, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have the track come all the way around the back, and then we're gonna continue bringing the lights all the way across the back for the final jump. Because of JellyFish, you're able to break them up as ports, but also if we're able to run the line set up with the lights, we try and break up the ports already from the get-go. That way it's easier for homeowners to set up their systems as far as they want maybe the sides on at one time, the back on one time, or just the front. So that's where we're kind of running different home run lines back to the controller. This whole back will be set up on one, the sides are set up on one, and then the front's set up on one. The benefits about using Total Roofing and Construction is we're a home exterior remodeling company, so we're already used to walking on roofs. We already install fascia, soffit, and gutters. So for us installing JellyFish, it's really great as far as working around with the soffit and fascia. In the background, our installers, they're all certified as installing JellyFish lighting. They had a 4-week training class doing everything as far as install, hooking up the wires, hooking up the controller box, and hooking up the power supplies. If you got any questions or even thinking about exterior lighting, give us a call, 708-201-7550.